better, because we'll see more examples on entity framework. Okay, so right, entity framework. And my advice to all the people, whatever homeworks I was given, you have to try. I think you have to complete. See, otherwise you'll not perfect in subject, right? Yeah. Let's go for entity framework. And yeah, coming to entity framework, yeah, what exactly it is? Entity framework. So not required to work more on MVC. You try to work more on entity framework, right? Right. Coming to entity framework, 1 minute. Yeah. In which page it is there? What is the page number? Okay, fine. Yeah, just you observe this. Right. Coming to entity framework. What is entity framework? Any idea? What is entity framework? And when it was introduced? Entity framework is a .NET advanced data access technology. It allows .NET application to communicate the database. It allows .NET application to communicate database. Link is advanced for ADO.NET. Entity framework is advanced for Link. So in .NET, what is the first data access technology? First one is ADO.NET. Second one is Link. Third one is Entity framework. ADO.NET was introduced in .NET 1.0, and it is Link was introduced in .NET 3.5, as well as Entity framework first version, that is Entity framework 3.5 is the first version, was introduced in .NET 3.5. Okay, so finally we can say Link first version of Entity framework was introduced with .NET 3.5. After releasing Link, few months gap, Entity framework was released in the 3.5 basic version. Latest version of Entity framework is Entity framework 6.0 was released in .NET framework 4.0 in the year 2012. And you can observe this diagram. It is acting like a mediator between .NET application and database. First data access object is ADO.NET. Second one is Link, and third one is Entity framework. Yeah, Entity framework is an ORM framework. ORM stands for Object Relational Mapping. What is an object relational mapping? Object relational mapping framework automatically creating a class with or based on the database tables. For every table, it will create a class.